of English and all my beloved friends. We stand here to present the result of our discussion into organization communication. First, let us introduce of group member. My name is Aman Shayani. Let's it number 012.
My name is Evelyn Farina. My last ID number 014.
My name is Diawahab, class ID number 007.
My name is Nabila Zulkarina, last ID number 013.
There is one member of group named Sabrina Azahra who is unable to attend because she is unable to attend. Later, Sabrina will come in to explain the material will take the video in different place. Later, we will discuss in several topics regarding organization communication. Namely, the first topic definition of communication, communication process, communication objective, type of communication verbal and non-verbal, the role of technology computer as communication, formal and informal communication in organization and conclusion. Immediately, we will explain material about organization communication. The definition of communication.
Definition of communication. Communication within organization become important to create a common understanding of the information presented to each other. To understand that the notion of communication is three important points. The first, namely that communication involves people and the understanding communicate includes to trying to understand the way is in which human beings are interconnected. The secondly, that the communication includes the same meaning. In the sense, for the people to communicate, they must agree on definition of the term they use. And the third, that communication with includes symbol, be it body, voice, letter, number, and words. Communication is also a passage between a source and a recipient, which translates to a transfer and an understanding of the meaning. Correspondingly, Gibson, Ivancevich, and Donnelly have stated that communication as a process of transmitting information and understanding using for the same sign.
Topic number 2, communication process. The communication process is how to send message to the recipient of the message. In order to create a meaningful equation between the donor and the recipient's information, this communication process aims to create an effective communication in accordance with the purpose of communication in general. Functional form of communication that starts in the formal organization consists of vertical currents from the bottom and from bottom in top and horizontal, later in transversal. Number 1, vertical communication flow from top to bottom. This communication is the most used channel is organization. This flow of communication send off messages from the leader supervision the subordinates. This flow is used to send comments in introduce police remainder to lower level works within the organization. The most basic problem of top-down communication has only one channel direction. It does not provide feedback from works within the organization. The hypothesis is that if the works know what the manager knows, then they will force transfers to solve the problem of the organization or the company. Number 2, vertical communication from bottom to top to. This communication is communication that comes for subordinate to supervision in order to provide feedback to the management. This channel of communication is an opportunity to express different IDs or IDs. The basic assumption of the communication is that words not be treated as patterns in Hindi. The best way to execute the call communication from such will attend IDs and help words receive better response to the problem and responsibilities and help facilitate the flow and reciprocity of communication from Kubernetes to Supraus. Number three, horizontal communication flow. This communication is the flow, sending and receiving messages that occur between the leadership and the subordinates. The resolution of several studies report that about 2 or 3 existing organizations use this flow of communication. Horizontal probability flow understanding in communication.
Topic number 3 is communication objective. Communication plays a very important role in determining how effectively people work together and coordination effort to achieve goals. In general, communication objective create mutual understanding for change perception, even behavior according to Gerald Greenfield in reality. Communication has a strategic function, starting from direction, action, connecting and coordination, building relationship, explaining organization culture, relation between organization, building an image of an organization, generating ideas and promoting ideas and values of the organization itself. Communication is the process of transmitting explanation from the sender to the reception of the message according to Tubbs and Moore in Plenary and Gates. Effective communication criteria should at least lead to 5 things, namely, number 1, understanding. This is the understanding and acceptance of the contents of the message carefully as a communicator. Number 2, pleasure. That communication will generate a sense of pleasure and satisfaction for the parties the communication. Number 3, appeal to change attitude in the sense that communication can influence the attitude of the participant in the communication in accordance with the content of the message. Number 4, good social relationship, which means that communication aims to grow and develop social relation toward a better direction. And the last, number 5, an action is the end result of an effective communication process which gives rise to a concrete and positive action.
Okay, next, type of communication verbal, non-verbal. Definition: verbal communication is a form of communication, communicated to the communicator by written or oral. Verbal media that can be used in communication, among others, newspapers, books, recruitment, announcement, newsletters, email, letters, telephone, video friends, and face-to-face. Verbal communication occupies a large portion because of the fact ideas, talks, or decision more easily delivers verbally rather than non-verbal. The following form of verbal communication and its characteristics in reviewing the quality or complexity of the message transmission. The concept is the theory of media perfection as a framework used to describe the ability of communication media to reproduce information. This theory was introduced by Richard Death and Robert H. Leach in 1986, an extension of the theory of social information processing. And the next, communication of motivation. Often association with persons will the approach of avoid interaction with other much of the risk on the motivation of communication falls within the characteristics may differ from words such as the form of communication or speech. The motivational cause is designed to measure a person's willingness to expand empathy, organize interaction, and adjust communication within the organization communication knowledge.
Next topic, the role of the technology computer as communication media. Computer general is can be interpreted as a collection of electronic devices arranged in series to from technology in with operating system controlled together with program able to receive and store data, perform processing and provide result in the from in information according to the operating producer formula. It is said the computer are means of communication because computer can interact directly with humans. For example, in data visualization, data communication is transmitting data that has value and is formatted in digital code. And next, the role of computer. Will the role of computer in data communication is a means of data communication both as a source of information and transmission and as computer and communication can occur if there is also similarity and the language. Next, the definition of internet. The internet is a network program or interconnect computer connection to disseminate data using the TCP IP protocol. Data is one of which is information or mission in the study communication. The internet has the feeling of being the structure in interaction with network that can be connected globally. The internet itself has provided some of the best and advantage in the source of information or reference. Unlimited unlimited scope, much closer. Effectiveness and efficiency over time in communication, inexpensive means of quality use and seamless transparency. The next diagram can be displayed in following figure. There are positive impact and negative impact on the use computer as a means of communication. According to campaign by Gerald Greenberg, communications, especially in the internet, can influence a person's interpersonal skill. If person use the maximum with feature of the internet, it can be used as supplement to work and meet the need of life. Conversely, the internet can also negatively affect interpersonal skill. The diagram can be displayed in the following figure. The diagram provides a conceptual framework explaining the relationship between the interpersonal skill, relation on the internet for communication, and its resulting influence. Diagram 1. Interpersonal skill. This is present as the starting point in the framework. It represents person's ability to interact effectively with others. Number 2, reaction on the internet for communication. This highlights to from internet use, average of the internet, moderate use of internet communication tools. Compulsive use of the internet express reliance on internet-based communication potentially leading to unhealthy pattern. Number 3, impact. The reaction on the internet is to take outcomes. Positive impact. When in the internet is used visually, it supplements interpersonal skill by enhancing work and personal interaction. Negative impact. Compulsive, excessive use of the internet might interfere with both work and personal life, harming interpersonal relationship.
Uh, Topic number 6, formal and informal communication is organization. Communication within the organization can be done in formal or informal way according to Jeremy Krebs. And formal communication is meant to provide patient information in office work, Will informed communication is the distributor of messages that are not associated with office activities. In informal communication, communication takes place between the members of the organization on the basis of personal will regardless of their position or position within the organization. Types of communication within the organization, the three network are first. Number one, horizontal communication. Letter communication or side it is from horizontal communication in which there is a differentiation is performed by two parts sharing the same position. The same position, the same level of position or position within the organization. Number two, diagonal communication. It is continuous communication from one seat to the other in different position in which both parts are not on the same structural part. Diagonal communication is used by two parties that have different level but do not have to alter it for the other parts. Diagonal communication is communication channel really used within the organization, but is important in situation where member cannot communication effectively through other channel. Number three, vertical communication. It is communication takes place between supervision and subordinates within the organization. Communication that refers from the level within organization to inner level to each other in organization environment. Communication between supervision and subordinates becomes an important tie to the structural in organization.
Then the conclusion of the organization communication material is communication helps organization member achieve individual and organization goals, implement and respond to organization trends, coordinate and interact virtually with all behavior relevant to the organization, and interact virtually with all behavior relevant to the organization. Through communication, curiosity can be channeled appeal to ensure word enthusiasm. In addition, communication also helps unique organization members to work together. Therefore, communication is absolutely necessary for the achievement of organization goals. Thank you for watching our video. Hopefully it's useful.